So today we are going to discuss on the reason why some laptops load very sluggishly and get heated up faster. Number one reason why that happens most times is due to fan issue. Maybe the fan fixed inside that laptop or computer is no longer working and unknown to you. You don't know because you can't lose your laptop, you can't lose the screws, and it's getting heated up because there is no fan working effectively. So you may need to check the PC to find out if the fan is still blowing. If you cannot do that, take it to technicians, okay? A technician that will check that. Number two reason is due to internet connection. When internet is connected to a computer or PC, it gets heated up so fast because it does more work, the machine does more work when it is connected to internet. So it needs more energy, all right? So because of that, it can get heated up fast due to the internet connection. Another reason why a PC loads so sluggishly, which is major, considered among the major reasons, is using HDD over SSD. All right, HDD stands for hard disk drive. All right, so when the type of storage you are using is HDD, please change it to solid state drive. Ask question. All right, you may not be able to dictate that, but there is how you check that in your PC, and I think I have a video about that. I will check that in the find if I can find it in this my channel and link it in the description to find out the kind of disk you are already using under your laptop. Okay, so the kind of storage, so that if you are using HDD, start making plan for SSD. That's the best at the moment. When the RAM of a laptop or computer is low, it can affect the speed at which the laptop loads. Yes, and that's why in the recent time, I encourage people when you're buying a computer or a laptop, look for the one that has up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. You will enjoy it. The memory should be nothing less than 12 gigabytes. It will serve you a lot of purpose. If you have money to get the one of 16 gigabyte, that's beautiful and excellent. But when you're using something like 2 gigabytes of memory, 4 gigabytes of memory, or 8 gigabytes of memory, you may not enjoy the PC because the RAM is low. Another thing is the quality of the storage. All right, you may go for SSD, but that may not be enough. There are some SSDs that are so cheap. When you get those kind of SSD, you may still be experiencing the sluggish loading of your PC. When you click on a particular app, maybe it will take like 1 minute before it gets to the next page, which is not making sense. So go for something of good quality, a brand that is known to be good in the business rather than going for something cheap. Another thing is poor hardware parts. So whenever you are going for to change a hardware in your PC, all right, please go for quality ones and not poor ones. Just like as I talked about the storage, go for quality one, including other parts, maybe Wi-Fi cards and the rest of it. Okay, the entire motherboard should be a good quality. Okay, that's all for the day. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment. You can check out this video here to learn more on how to make huge use of your PC. Thank you and see you some other time.